Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the best WordPress plugins for 2020. Now, these plugins are essential whether you have an affiliate site, a normal blog, you're selling courses, you're selling e-commerce products even, because they get the job done. They help you rank well in the search engines, they help you customize your sites to your needs, and they pretty much make everything run more smoothly. So I'm going to reveal what those plugins are. Most of them are free, or at least have a freemium version, so you can get started without spending any money. There are a few that are premium, but they're well worth the investment. Let's dive in. WordPress is the most popular content management system in the world. It powers about 30% of the internet. That's hundreds of millions of websites. And one of the draws of WordPress is the fact that you can customize your website to your needs. You're not forced into a specific type of design or functionality, etc., etc. They have themes, and more importantly, they have plugins which further extend that functionality. So as I mentioned before, I'm going to be going through the most powerful plugins that you can use to grow your website. I mean, they can help with audience growth. They can help getting clicks on your links. They can help you grow your email list. They can help you create beautiful pages. They can help you speed up your website, etc., etc. So I'm going to jump over to the screen and I'm going to be giving you a walkthrough of some of the plugins, showing you how we're using them on our websites and a little bit of tweaks and optimizations you can do to get the most out of these plugins and why they're so important and powerful. Now, Thirsty Affiliates is an affiliate marketing plugin. It allows you to cloak and track your affiliate links. So what you do is that you take that ugly affiliate link that your partner will give you and you insert it into Thirsty Affiliates, and it gives you a pretty link. That's kind of like example.com/recommends/affiliate product name. And you've probably seen this in use on a lot of affiliate websites because it's really popular. So you can auto link keywords. That is, if you use, let me say, email marketing in a post, it'll be automatically linked to the affiliate program of your choice. Then you get reports. You can see when people clicked, where they clicked from, how many times they were clicked, etc. You can actually compare that against the reporting in your affiliate marketing software. And if there are any discrepancies, you can reach out to them. It's like, hey, what's going on here? I sent 1,000 clicks your way, but you're only recording 100 clicks. What's up? And then smart uncloaking for specific affiliate programs such as Amazon affiliates. You can't cloak an Amazon affiliate link. It has to be naked there. So this allows you to selectively uncloak. And if your links break, it'll help you fix them. So there are so many different uses for this one. And all of our affiliate websites have Thirsty Affiliates. You know, all the positive reviews from other websites. And it comes with the free version, so you don't have to get the pro version. And for most affiliate websites, especially if you're just starting out, the free version is more than enough. Now, one thing, even if you're not doing affiliate marketing now, it'll be a good idea to use Thirsty Affiliates because maybe you want to become affiliate marketing later, or maybe you just want to track how many referrals you're sending to a specific website. There's so many use cases. So anytime you link that product or that website, you can use a Thirsty Affiliate link. And instead of having to go back later and update those links, you can just update it once through Thirsty Affiliates, and that can save you hours of time, a bunch of searching for these kind of links. Yoast SEO. They call themselves the #1 WordPress SEO plugin, and I won't argue that because I use it on all of our websites, and it's really great because if you have no SEO knowledge, it'll help you optimize the basics and give you a fighting chance against people who have deep SEO knowledge that comes from years of experience. There are a number of things you can do with this plugin. It helps you optimize how your titles and descriptions appear in Google by adding a meta description for individual articles. In fact, let me show you how that works with one of my websites. So here you type in your focus key phrase, what you want to rank for, and it'll give you a preview of how it looks on mobile devices as well as desktop devices. And it also shows you how easy or difficult it is for someone to read your article. And it'll give you recommendations to make your content more digestible. It'll also give you specific areas, like in this particular article has an SEO analysis score of orange, or not too good, not too bad. But it gives you suggestions to optimize it. Adding the key phrase in the introduction, increasing the key phrase density. That means adding your key phrase more inside of the actual article. alt attributes in your images, key phrases in the title, the basics that you may forget every now and then, or if you're new to SEO, you probably don't even know. So this is plugin, and it's free for the most part. They have some premium features, but I've never used them. I've never seen a need to use them. Kylys, this is our software, and we actually have a WordPress plugin. Most of the work is done through our own cloud-based interface, but you can add the plugin so that they start appearing on your website automatically. No extra work required once you install the plugin. Now, Kylys is divided into a platform that allows you to create all types of pop-ups as well as quizzes for list building. So you simply choose your goal, choose a template, customize it, and then embed it anywhere. And that's what the plugin is for. So you don't have to embed individual pop-ups. All right, so you can do page level targeting, time display, as well as exit pop-up, scroll percentage. And then there are multiple display types such as pop-ups, slide-ins, floating bars, full screen takeovers, inline embedded forms, etc. There are so many. And then you can customize everything. There's a template library. You can customize it, colors, fonts, etc. You name it, you can customize it. And then you can split test everything. So maybe you have this version of the title, this version of the headline. You don't know which one will perform best, so you want to test it. So you can do that right within Kylys Interface Builder. And of course, we have reporting. It tells you how many people have viewed the pop-up, how many contacts you've captured, and your conversion rate. And then with the if you choose to use split testing, you can see them head to head. You can see the first version and the second version, and then it'll even show you the percentage increase or decrease, so you can make a really informed decision without cracking your brain or having to do extra math for no reason, right? And then of course you have success redirect. That's when someone submits their contact information, either you want to show them a thank you message or redirect them to another page to continue the interaction, whatever the case may be. Maybe you want to present an offer, maybe you want to show them a thank you video, maybe you want them to follow you on social media. That says success redirect makes it possible to do that. Kylys does come with a subscription, but there's a free trial. Now, the other one is a really simple plugin and it's free. It's called Really Simple SSL. Nowadays, Google has SSL security as a ranking factor. That means if your website isn't secure, it can be negatively impacted in the search results. So Really Simple SSL goes through and scans your entire website and make sure everything uploaded there is on HTTP. So you don't have to do anything else. It'll just do it immediately, fix everything, give you any warnings or anything that you need to take care of specifically, and you're good to go. Leave it installed on your website and you'll be HTTPS everywhere. Secure websites also increase trust of your visitors. Now this plugin is called Pegasus. I recently discovered this plugin. It has a freemium model. If you have less than 10 pages that you want to accelerate on your website, you can get it for free. Now, what it does, it optimizes everything on your website. It gives you a content delivery network so that your website loads faster. It optimizes your images and serves them via the content delivery network. It optimizes your HTML code, your CSS, everything. So your website is lightning fast. Now, there was a time when, before we discovered this plugin, a lot of our websites were slow. We were using like WordPress Fastest Cache, W3 Kchin, all these other plugins, and they simply couldn't do what Pegasus has been able to do for us. And let me just give you an example. So on average, websites get a score of around 50 to high 70s, right? And that's when they're really optimized. But our website, and this page is really heavy, and our website is getting 94, and it's loading in less than 1 second for most visitors. If they have a slow internet connection, and it's still under 2 seconds. So this has positively increased our search rankings and our click-through rate or our dwell time. People stay on the website longer because it's fast and they click around more. So we have higher page views per visitor and a lower bounce rate. The next one on the list is a security plugin called Wordfence. Now, I love this plugin, use it on all of our websites. And what it does, it basically turns your WordPress website into Fort Knox. It adds a firewall. It adds protections for people trying to hack using brute force. Like if someone tries to log in with the wrong credentials 10 times within 10 minutes or something like that, then they're locked out for 24 hours, and you can set this. So there are so many other protections. You have a firewall. You can set the strength of that firewall, and there's a freemium. There's a free version and there's a paid version. Now, the free version is still strong. It doesn't give you as granular control. Maybe you can't add some certain settings to your firewall, and then some of the patches that they come up with aren't applicable to the free version at the time. They usually get shipped between 30 and 60 days later. And to date, they blocked more than 3.9 billion attacks on WordPress sites. Actually, that's in the last 30 days. So yeah, it's really active and you can't go wrong with this plugin. It's free, and we've only upgraded this plugin on one website. The other websites, we use the free version. So that just goes to show you how powerful the free version of the plugin is. Another one that I use a lot is Easy WordPress Table of Contents. And this is the back end of one of our websites. It just shows you how this plugin works. You can insert a table of contents, and this is especially useful on longer posts. Insert a table of contents that visitors can click and interact with so that they don't have to wade through all of your subheadings to get to the information they're interested in. You can choose how it appears, the background colors, the formatting, its width, etc., how it shows up when someone first loads the page, whether it's open or closed. And in addition to that, another fringe benefit is the fact that Google actually picks up these table of content headings and displays it in the search results. So someone can actually see some of your table of contents in the search result and click on that exact place, and that is where the page will open up. So this has the added benefit of increasing your click-through rate, which then increases your SERP position because Google wants to show the best content, and a higher click-through rate lets Google know that, okay, there's something going on here. People are staying here. Let's promote this website. Let's move it higher in the search engine results page. The next one on the list is Ad Inserter Pro. Now, this one is super important to us, and that's because it allows you to insert code basically anywhere on the website, or code or text. We use it for both. Like on our affiliate websites, we tend to add our affiliate disclaimer and then control where they appear on the website, so we're not typing it every time. As soon as we publish an article, it's already there. And so it does a lot of things. You can insert code anywhere on the page. It's actually quite easy to use. The thing is that it's designed for advertising, so there are so many different placement options, and it lets you get really granular. You can show it to people on mobile devices, you can show it to people on tablets, you can show it to people on desktop. Ignore people on tablet, mobile, desktop. It's your choice, and that's why I really like this app. like this plugin, because it gives you so much control. But some of these features are for pro users. We actually use the free version because what we want to do, we don't use ads on our websites, but what we do, we like to control where we can insert things. So if we just add it once to Ad Inserter, then we can insert it anywhere or choose wherever it appears on the website, which saves us a lot of time instead of copying and pasting the code every single time, or copying and pasting a specific text every single time. Even there are even instances where you may not know how to insert code, so this makes it really easy. Now, the last plugin on this list is Leadpages. Now, Leadpages is an independent software, but they also have a WordPress plugin. Now, they have tons of templates to create beautiful pages, both for blog posts and for landing pages, and we use this all the time. And you can check it out from the link in the description. But the main thing is that this plugin allows you to create pages. You can even create Facebook ads from inside the plugin. It's crazy, right? Tons of templates, is relatively inexpensive. I think it's like $29 or $39 to get started. And everything comes mobile optimized. So for example, let's say you have a sign up page that you're trying to use to collect email addresses. You can actually create the page within Leadpages, use the WordPress plugin to import it, choose the URL, and you're good to go. So those are my top picks for the best plugins to grow your WordPress website. As you can see, they span multiple categories, from speeding up your websites and rising in the search results to capturing emails and building beautiful pages for whatever purpose. Now, choose the ones that make the most sense for you and help you achieve your goals. It's not a must that you get all of them, but I've gone through why each one is important and what it does. I definitely recommend, of course, Kylys, Wordfence, Yoast, and Pegasus. So if those ones are within your budget, most of them are free, by the way. If those ones are within your budget, then I highly recommend that you get them and start optimizing your websites and growing your mailing list. If you like this video, all that I ask is that you leave a comment, like it, and smash that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video.